Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to do a product overview for you guys on the Napoleon NZ3000. So the new NZ3000 model is going to be a catalytic fireplace. So this is a nice traditional style model. You'll note the arch on the front, it's very decorative. You can get this available in a black or a wrought iron finish. You do have nice double doors on the unit for a nice big fireplace opening. The doors are going to be fully gasketed all the way around. You do have the andirons located at the front of the firebox to keep your logs from rolling forward inside the unit. Again, this is going to be a catalytic model, so it's going to be highly efficient, and you do get nice long burn times. You have a nice big firebox that you can fit good long log lengths in here. Now this model is available with heating options, so you can do a blower option on it, which will convect the heat out the unit. You'll notice that it is louvered on the top and the bottom, which is where the heat will flow out of. You can also do central heating kits on this model as well. So your damper control is going to be located directly above the fireplace right here. And then you also have a damper control located right here on the bottom. So this is the Napoleon NZ3000. This is going to be a zero clearance fireplace, which means you can frame it right inside the wall and frame right up to it with combustible materials. So I hope that you guys found this video overview helpful. If you did, if you like our videos, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, share them with your friends. Don't forget to click the subscribe button in the corner of our channel. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.